Always know that. Hey. You good to roll? Here we go. Hey. Yeah. I'ma keep it real with you. Yeah. I'ma keep it real. I told my baby you the only one I trust. I told my shawty you ain't gotta make a fuss. Ay. When I was down out of luck, and you stuck. It was us in a rut. Woke up, I hit it.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So a late start on this morning routine vlog. I can get up to like 10:15, 10:30, and it's 11:04 right now. Right now I'm going to Walmart. I have to grab JR some diapers, or I gotta grab some little stuff for like breakfast food. Stay tuned for this morning vlog / morning routine, because our routine changes every day. Like every day is never the same. I'm on my way to Walmart, so just come get Walmart.
For you. Baby, give me life, you know I live for you. You know I live for you. Ride or die, kill for you. Let them talk slick, I'ma have to split a wig for you. Where you grab my chain, got me feeling like jibs on you. Ay, ay. You know I'm here for you. Ay, ay, ay. Baby, if you ever try to leave, I'ma beg, I'ma plead, I'ma have to hit my knees. Girl, you got me shedding tears for you. Got me shedding tears for you. Whisper in your ear, let me make it real clear. You gon' always know that I'ma keep it chill with you.
Okay, so I just left out of Walmart. I'm about to head home. I think the rest of the morning I'll be cleaning up, so I'll show you all that, and then that should be the end of the video. So I drive home and I'll see y'all when I get home.
I'ma keep it straight 100 for you. Hey, you my 10 and my number one. You the grand prize I'm gunning for, yeah. I'ma keep it real with you. Didn't know angels exist. Heaven opens when we kiss. Let me make it real clear for you. Baby, I'ma keep it real with you. Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. I touch your baby, you're the only one I need. But the gang gotta fly you overseas. It's on me, you know that it's a breeze. My little Caesar, cause she keep it hot and ready. You been working out, so you staying healthy. Know I'm from the A, so I gotta grip it like the grain on a Chevy, baby. I'ma keep it chill with you. I'ma keep it chill with you. I'ma keep it straight 100 for you. Hey, you're my 10 and my number one. You the grand prize I'm gunning for, yeah. I'ma keep it real with you. Didn't know angels exist. Heaven opens when we kiss. Let me make it real.
So I had got an espresso for the Target, I think the 3-day sale on Thursday, I think. So it's supposed to come in today. So I got a bunch of stuff like syrups and like caramel sauce, white chocolate sauce, to start making different drinks with my espresso. So I'm about to clean up for that too. Try and find, I guess, a place to put everything that looks nice per se. So I'm just cleaning up the rest of the house, honestly, for the rest of the morning, and then I'm gonna be chilling.
Baby, I'ma keep it real with you. I'ma keep it real with you. Ay, you know that I'ma keep it real with you. Ay, you gotta give it 100 though. Ay, know that I'ma keep it real with you.
One, two, three. To be a star, ooh, I can really dream about that. They're few and far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, yeah. I can see them shining on me. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Come on, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we are. In the Afro future, I'm skywalking on the beat. Me and my niggas in the middle of the street, making a scene. Hop in the car, let's cruise, don't speed. I'm getting comfy in the passenger seat. Maybe you can drive back so I can get me a drink. Now let me see, I ain't got no money.
I'm pretty much done cleaning for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah, my camera. Trying to record everybody. You see him?
Is it on?
Yeah.
Cause we ain't got shit in common, but why you gotta fight for nothing?